In this video, you'll learn how to create beautiful Material 3 buttons in Jetpack Compose from scratch. Open Android Studio. Build a gradient background. Add a Material 3 card. Create the header section. Add an icon. Adjust spacing and alignment. Add a title. Preview the header section. Design a filled button. See the fill button in action. Create an elevated button. Tap the elevated button to preview the result. Build an outline button. Check the outline button preview. Add a text button. Run and preview the final UI. 3 quick tips. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and keep learning Jetpack Compose.